David Ion here, and today we're going to show you some tips and tricks to organize your tools. You tired of your garage being cluttered or all the countertop space being taken away? Well, here's some stuff that we do to keep organized. So we have battery mounts here, and they just slide in like that. These work for Walt M Milwaukee. So there's a Milwaukee type battery, and then here's a Ryo mount here. We can do tools, do this flashlight right here, and then we've got Nikita as well, and we can put our drills and things on these types of mounts. So when you get all this out of the way, it really makes it handy, and you can make a lot more better use of your space. So we also have a charger that will charge our Mach 1 batteries as well as Walt batteries, and this one is actually it's not sequential. It doesn't do them one at a time like some of the OEM chargers. This actually will charge all 4 batteries at the same time. So we're gonna show you how that works real quick. All right, yeah, and I'm gonna put a picture of our lab and how we use these in the video, but I do want to say these mounts are very strong. I mount sawzalls and circular saws on them, so they're very stout. So now I want to show you this sequential charger, and it mounts too, like we have that one mounted, so it's very handy. But you just put your batteries in here, and you come up here. You can see that all the lights are on, so it's not doing sequential charging, it's charging all these batteries at the same time. So if you like these videos, please like and subscribe, and thanks for tuning in.